As you settle into this moment, take a deep, unhurried breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, cool and refreshing, and then gently release it. Before you, a fog bank drifts over the hillside. Rolling, swirling, folding into itself. The earth disappears and reappears beneath its soft blanket. As if nature is painting in slow motion. Notice how the fog never resists the shape of the land. It flows where the wind carries it, rising over the ridges, spilling gently into the valleys. You too can flow in this way, allowing life's changes to move through you without struggle. There is beauty in impermanence. There is peace in not needing to hold everything still. Each wisp of mist is here for only a moment, and yet its presence is complete, unhurried, serene. Let yourself be like the fog, fully present in each passing moment. No rush, no resistance, simply being. The hillside begins to emerge again, just as new moments reveal themselves in life. Take this stillness with you. Carry the flow of the fog into your day. And remember, peace is not found in holding on, but in letting go.